Namaskar, hello and welcome once again to another fun-filled session of Rani's Gift. We are discussing measuring different things in different ways through different activities. Let's have a look at our first activity. We have two paper bags of the same size. We have filled one bag with sand and the other with dry leaves. Dear friends, I hope you are able to guess that the bag with sand is heavier than the bag with leaves. Can't you believe it? Let me show you on the balance. The bag with sand is so heavy that it takes a lot of effort to even put the balance up. We hope you were able to guess what was happening. Since the bag with the sand was heavy, that side was going so down. After experiencing the bag of sand and the bag of leaves, let's look at the pictures given here and take the type of balance that we have seen before. In the first image, a woman is measuring a cylinder with a spring balance. Have you seen it before? If yes, put a tick here in the box. In the next image, a shopkeeper is using a mechanical balance to weigh something. Maybe you all have seen this in a grocery shop or while buying fruits and vegetables. So if you have seen this, you can put a tick. In the next image, we have a digital weighing machine. Have you seen it before? Maybe in a sweets shop or in a jewelry shop? If yes, put a tick mark here. In the last image, a woman is using a hand balance, similar to the balance that we made using the paper cups and the strings. Have you seen this balance before? If yes, put a tick mark here. Of course, we all just saw that balance. So let's all put a tick mark here. And don't worry if you haven't seen other balances. Just be a nice observer from now on when you go to the market. I am sure you will be able to see all of them. Children, I hope you often go to a park or ground to play with your friends. Have you seen a seesaw swing? It is actually a balance. And here are some fruits playing on the seesaw. Let's have a look. Who goes up and who goes down? We are going to see that in the park. Watermelon and mango want to play on the seesaw. Watermelon sits on one side, but he could not get up. His friend Mango called other mangoes to sit on the other side. Now, can you tell? Let's count the mangoes together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6 mangoes balance the watermelon nicely. Let's read part B also. How many coconuts can balance the watermelon if weight of one coconut is equals to the weight of 2 mangoes? Let's think about it. And to do this, let's go back to the seesaw and replace every 2 mangoes with 1 coconut. We keep 1 coconut for these 2 mangoes, again 1 coconut for these 2 mangoes, and again a coconut for these 2 mangoes. So we get how many coconuts? Yes, we get 3 coconuts to balance the watermelon. You can write the number 3 here in the box and our task is done. After measuring the fruits and vegetables, it's time to measure our weight. And for that, there is a project work for you. Name some of your family members or friends who you think weight almost the same as you. Dear friends, in your family, can your parents or grandparents have same weight as you? I don't think so. They will be heavier than you. Who will weigh almost the same as you? Yes, your brothers or sisters who are almost the same age as you. And your friends can also weigh the same as you. You can write 2 or 3 names of such people here in the space given. In part B, you have to think about the people who weigh more than you. So, they can be your parents, grandparents, elder sister or brother, or even some friends. For part C, think about people who weigh less than you. Did you get a hint? Please write the names here in the last blank. This was an estimation task where we made some logical guesses about the weight of people around us. But how to know the exact weight of a person? Do we use a spring balance? No. A mechanical balance? No. A hand balance? No. We use a digital weighing machine which looks something like this. We stand on the machine like this and it shows our weight. But where can you find this machine? Have you seen it before? I hope you have. So you can check your weight using this in an Anganwadi, in school, in dispensaries, in theatres, in fairs, mela, and in hospitals also. Dear friends, do you remember that we began with a gift for Rani? We hope you do, because it's now finally the time to make Nimbu Pani. Let's see how Raghu and his friends are making Nimbu Pani. Raghu and his friends made Nimbu Pani for Raghu's grandmother. He used these things to prepare 1 glass of Nimbu Pani. Water 1 glass, sugar 1 spoon, a pinch of salt and 2 spoons of lemon juice. We mix it well to make it more tasty. Now, Raghu wants to make Nimbu Pani for himself and his 2 more friends. So, Raghu has to make 3 glasses of Nimbu Pani. Find out and write the quantity of ingredients he has to use to make 3 glasses of Nimbu Pani. So, if 1 glass of Nimbu Pani requires 1 glass of water, 3 glasses of Nimbu Pani will require 3 glasses of water. 1 spoon sugar for 1 glass. So, 3 spoons sugar for 3 glasses. And 1 pinch salt for 1 glass. So, 3 pinches of salt for 3 glasses. Also, if we need 2 spoons of lemon juice for 1 glass, so for 3 glasses we will need 2 spoons plus 2 spoons and plus 2 spoons. That is 6 spoons of lemon juice for 3 glasses of Nimbu Pani. Oh, it was so refreshing. Making and drinking the Nimbu Pani was absolute fun. Friends, what is your favorite drink? Is it orange juice? Let's write about its ingredients and the quantity. So, for making 1 glass of orange juice, you need 4 oranges, 1 spoon sugar and some ice cubes. You can take help from your parents and elders. Dear friends, we hope you enjoyed making Nimbu Pani and talking about sweet lassi and orange juice also. But can you think and tell what is the most important ingredient in all these yummy drinks? Think about it. Yes, it is water. And as you know, water is very, very important in our lives. We need water for drinking, cooking, growing crops, washing, cleaning, etc. Hence, we must use water very wisely and must not waste it at all. Each and every drop of water is precious. Let's move ahead to our next activity without wasting water and time. Raghu's bottle is filled with 4 glasses of water. How many glasses of water can fill your bottle? Friends, I have this bottle with me. Let's measure the water for this bottle. I pour the first glass. It has more space. So let's pour the second glass also. Great! 2 glasses of water completely fill this bottle. How many glasses of water can fill your friend's bottle? Discuss with your friends and find out, does your friend's bottle fill with equal or more or less amount of water? Discuss this also with your friends and find out. Let's move to the next task. Name the friend whose bottle can carry equal water as yours. You can write the name. Less water than yours. Write another name. And more water than yours. Dear friends, this session is coming to an end. We will meet again in another fun-filled session. Till then, keep learning, keep exploring and keep enjoying. Take care. Namaskar.